Hello, I'm your friend Teacher Sam. Today I'll share insightful tips on how to provide persuasive answers in the IELTS Speaking Test Part 3. The first question we're tackling is it better to read a book or watch television? While both activities engage our minds differently, neither is inherently superior. Reading a book stimulates imagination, vocabulary development, and analytical thinking. Watching television, on the other hand, can be an excellent source of visual learning and can expose viewers to different cultures and ideas. To summarize, both reading and watching television have their unique benefits and can contribute to our overall mental development in different ways. Our next question is it important for children to have books at home? Absolutely, yes. Books at home not only provide children with easy access to knowledge, but also encourage a love for reading from a young age. This can have a profound influence on their cognitive development and academic success. In summary, having books at home is crucial for children as it fosters reading habits and promotes cognitive development. Moving on to the third question, should young people read newspapers? Reading newspapers can help young people stay informed about global events, develop critical thinking skills, and improve their language proficiency. Therefore, it can certainly be beneficial. To recap, reading newspapers is beneficial for young people as it keeps them informed, develops critical thinking, and enhances language skills. Now, do you think we will read more or less in the future? With the advent of technology, the way we consume information is changing. However, reading will not diminish, it will only transform perhaps into more digital formats. In essence, reading will continue to be a significant part of our lives, although its form may shift due to technological advancements. The fifth question is local news important? Indeed, local news is essential. It keeps us aware of our immediate environment, helps us make informed decisions, and fosters a sense of community. In a nutshell, local news plays a vital role in building community awareness and fostering informed decision-making. Next we have, is there too much news these days? While there is an abundance of news, it is up to individuals to filter what is relevant to them. The plethora of news can be overwhelming, but it also ensures a variety of perspectives and a wealth of information. Summing up, the abundance of news today provides a wealth of information, although it requires individuals to filter what is relevant to them. The seventh question is, should news services be controlled by the government or by private business? Ideally, news services should be independent to maintain journalistic integrity and provide unbiased reporting. In short, for the sake of journalistic integrity and unbiased reporting, news services should ideally be independent. Lastly, how easy is it for broadcast and media outlets to manipulate public opinion? With the power of storytelling and the ability to select what news to highlight, media outlets can indeed influence public opinion. However, critical thinking can help individuals discern the truth. To summarize, while media outlets have the power to shape public opinion, critical thinking is a crucial tool for discerning the truth. Excellent, thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more lessons with Teacher Sam. Remember, practice makes perfect.